If you're looking for a way to avoid penalties on early withdrawals from your retirement accounts, a 72T distribution might be the solution you're looking for. This strategy allows you to take money out of your IRA or 401k before the age of 59-12 without getting hit with those harsh 10% early withdrawal penalties. But there's a catch. You have to follow very specific rules. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use a 72T distribution to your advantage and avoid costly penalties. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially in these uncertain times, I recommend clicking the first link in the description. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their savings, and I've got a free guide that shows you exactly how to get started. It's perfect for retirees, and it could help you secure your wealth. So check that out after the video if you want to learn more. Now, let's talk about the 72T distribution. This is a rule from the IRS that lets you take early withdrawals from your retirement account without incurring those pesky penalties. The key is that the distribution must be part of a series of substantially equal periodic payments, also known as CPP. So, what does that mean for you? Essentially, you're agreeing to take out a set amount of money on a regular basis for a period of time, typically 5 years or until you reach 59-12, whichever is longer. This means you can access your money early, but only in a consistent and predictable way. You can't just take out a lump sum and then stop. The payments have to continue on the set schedule. The amount you can withdraw is based on a formula that factors in your life expectancy. The IRS gives you 3 options for calculating your SEP: the required minimum distribution, RMD method, the fixed amortization method, and the fixed annuitization method. All 3 methods involve a little math, but they all give you a way to determine how much you can withdraw each year. Now, while this strategy might sound appealing, there are some important things you need to keep in mind. First, you're locked into the distribution schedule. That means once you start, you have to stick with it. If you modify or stop the payments early, you could face retroactive penalties. So, it's crucial to be absolutely sure that you can commit to the schedule for the long haul. Second, you can't just withdraw a huge amount and expect to stretch it out for years. The IRS has strict guidelines on how much you can take out, and you need to be careful to calculate your payments accurately. If you overestimate and take out more than what's allowed, you could be facing tax consequences, along with penalties. Another important point: if you're wondering whether there's a better way to access your money, let's quickly talk about gold IRAs. While a 72T distribution might be a good strategy for early withdrawals, gold IRAs are often a much better option for protecting your wealth over time. By diversifying into gold, you can protect your assets from inflation and market volatility, something that can be especially important for retirees with larger portfolios. Gold IRAs are a long-term, tax-advantaged strategy that could give you peace of mind knowing your wealth is more secure. If you've got $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even if your savings are over $5 a gold IRA might be the perfect fit for you. You can still take advantage of 72T distributions if you need to, but combining it with a gold IRA can help you protect your wealth for the future. Before you go, don't forget to grab the free guide on gold IRAs from the first link in the description. This guide will help you protect your wealth and navigate options like gold IRAs, 72T distributions, and more. If you're serious about securing your savings over the next couple of weeks, make sure you check it out. So, now that you understand how to use a 72T distribution to avoid penalties on early withdrawals, remember, it's a great tool if you need immediate access to your retirement funds, but always consider the long-term consequences. And don't forget that a gold IRA might be the best way to protect and grow your wealth, especially if you have over $100K or even $5 in savings.